x squared plus 17x plus 60. Now we're going to factor this again. And remember that it's going to look like this. X plus p times x plus q. All right, guess and check. Now this one's going to be a little harder because...
Because you made it that way?
Well, no, I didn't make it this way, but because 60 is a big number, there's a lot of things we can multiply to get 60. X squared is just x times x. But they have to add up to 17. So I'm going to remember that they have to add up to a positive 17, whatever they are, but they also have to multiply to equal 60. Now I know that 12 times 5 equals 60. I also know that 12 plus 5 equals 17. So if I guess 12 here, and I guess 5 here, 5 times x is 5x. 12 times x is positive 12x. And 5 times 12 is equal to 60. Now the beauty of this is that 5x plus 12x equals 17x. So then the final question is, what's p? Well, then in this case, p can equal 5 and q can equal 12, or p can equal 12 and q can equal 5. In other words, it should look like this. X squared plus 17x plus 60 equals x plus 5 times x plus 12, or x plus 12 times x plus 5. And that's it.